Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to create an organizational chart in Lucidchart on the web. Click the plus new button in the top left area of your Lucidchart dashboard. A drop-down menu will appear with different document type options. From that drop-down, click on Lucidchart. This opens the template selection page with various options for starting your document. Now click Create from Template. The template library interface opens, showing you different categories of templates. Using a template here will save you significant time compared to building the chart from scratch. At the top of the template library page, you'll see a search bar. Type org chart into that search bar. The library will filter down from hundreds of templates to just the organizational chart options, and you'll see multiple template designs appear in the results. Look through the templates and click on the one that fits what you need. Templates vary by structure and visual style. Some are basic hierarchical charts. Others are department-specific or color-coded by role. Once you click a template, a preview or detail view of it will appear. On that preview screen, click the Use Template button. The Lucidchart editor will open with your chosen template loaded on the canvas, ready to edit. Now you can customize the content. Double-click on any text box in the chart to edit names, job titles, or any other information. When you double-click, the text becomes editable and you'll see a cursor appear. Type to replace the placeholder content with your actual personnel information. Most templates come with generic placeholders, like CEO, manager, or employee, that you'll swap out. If you need to adjust the layout, click and drag any shape to move it around. To resize a shape, grab one of the corner handles and drag. To add new positions to your chart, click on an existing shape and red plus icons will appear. Click those to add connected shapes. Lucidchart automatically maintains the connector lines between shapes as you move them, so everything stays linked properly. You can also change colors, fonts, and styles using the top toolbar and right-hand properties panel. Lucidchart saves everything automatically as you work, so your changes are backing up to the cloud in real time. When you're done, click the Share button in the top right corner to get collaboration links, or go to File then Download if you want to export it as a PDF or PNG. Your finished org chart will always be accessible from your Lucidchart dashboard under Documents. Thanks for watching.